Welcome to Cyril Life Hacks. Today we are giving out simple life hacks for organizations and individuals that needs an outstanding improvement in their job ads and presentation. Cyril Life Hacks is thrilled about the countless opportunities and the impact that watching this video can have on one another. Come along with me as I provide step-by-step instructions on how to make professional presentations and organization ads throughout this video. Continuing to innovate, inspire, guide, and establish new standards, all in this video. Begin the video by extending a warm welcome to the viewer and outlining the subject. Create a clear title and give more context with a sub-headline. Cyril Life Hacks. This is the same title screen layout you can use to introduce your video, but with the content on the right. Here's another title scene layout you can use to introduce your video to heighten the attention of the audience. Here is a title scene with a bigger circle, this time you can use to make introduction to your video. A minimal title scene layout with the avatar in a circle you can use to introduce your video. This is a scene with my image on a photolistic background. Replace the image with yours in background media in the inspector panel. This easy-looking layout serves as bullet points, recaps, takeaways, or as a video agenda. Another agenda type layout with the avatar in a circle and bullets in a diagonal layout. Different agenda type layout with the avatar in a circle and bullets in a diagonal layout. Here is a simple topic call-out scene. It enables you to talk about different topics with a small description on each one. Here's an alternative layout with image for talking about 4 different topics, but with an image option this time. Here's the same layout, but with 3 headings and an image and logo insertion option. Got more topics? Here's a layout that enable you to talk about 6 variety of topics. Here's another layout that has 4 topics with images and limited descriptions. Here's a layout that has 2 main topics in focus with pictures and descriptions. You can use this to when comparing more than one thing. An alternate topics layout with portrait pictures and description for the topics. Here's another topics layout variation with 3 topics this time. You've got an image, title, or heading and description for each topic to illustrate your message in regards to expressing what might take place in each layout. An alternate layout for 3 topics or discussions using taller portrait images with titles and descriptions. Here's a numbers slide calling out some big numbers. Use this slide for showing results and analytics. There's also a heading and sub-headline for you to introduce these numbers step by step with the help of the guidance tool. Here's a slightly different variant of the numbers slide that has the image more in focus and numbers on the right side. Here's another alternate numbers slide, showing more up to 6 numbers with short descriptions that can be amended. In this variation, the numbers layout has a featured image, a heading, sub-headline, and numbers with descriptions. A slightly different variation of the numbers slide that also has an image and heading, but with more numbers on the right side on this page. Use this over-the-shoulder scene to demonstrate your subject with a video or image. This can be replaced by going to the background tab and making changes. This over-the-shoulder variation pushes the image slightly to the left so that your video is in focus. You can replace the content by going to the background tab for changes. Just your video front and center in this variation as seen above. Replace the content by going to the background tab for more. Here's another video layout, but with a video as the background and a heading. Replace the video by going to the background tab. This is in regards to a steps type layout. Show how something works, or use this scene at the end of your video as a takeaway or recap. You can repurpose it at the beginning, using as an agenda as this is crucial and gives some of the best outcomes to your content. An alternate steps type layout with vertical points, also with a headline and sub-headline for you to utilize. Sometimes your video calls for a mission statement or a leader quote. Minimize it to 2 or 3 sentences at most. Before bringing your video to an end, give your audience a channel or media platform to find more information with this closing scene. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. A much simpler ending scene you can use. This is the ending of the video, and your organization's logo needs to be boldly inserted as seen.